Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the area and priming the pen so the gel bonds well and works quickly. First, brush gently and rinse. Then dry your teeth with a clean cloth or tissue because moisture reduces adhesion. Next, twist the pen tip only a half turn until a small bead appears. Test on the back of your hand if needed to avoid surprises. Once done, pull your lip up with your finger to expose the teeth and make sure you won't smear the gel. Now you apply the gel with steady hands so coverage is uniform and effective. Use the pen like a fine brush. Draw one thin line across the visible front of each tooth. This prevents pooling that can irritate gums. Make sure to avoid the gum line, and if you get any excess, remove it promptly with a Q-tip. This protects soft tissue. Once you finish the row of visible teeth, close your mouth and try not to swallow. The goal is targeted contact, not ingestion. Finish by letting the formula sit for the product's recommended time so the active ingredient works into enamel, usually 10 to 30 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with water and lightly brush only if the instructions allow, because brushing too soon can increase sensitivity. Make sure to avoid staining foods and drinks for the next 24 hours to let results stabilize. If you feel sharp sensitivity, shorten future sessions or switch to every other day. Contact support or your dentist if severe. This single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.